How to find hidden apps on Samsung Galaxy phone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide will show you how you can find out all those hidden apps that has been hidden from any Samsung Galaxy phone. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to find out all the hidden apps on Samsung Galaxy phone, all you have to do is just need to press and hold any empty area from your Galaxy home screen. And once you do that, it's going to give you a couple of options. And from here, you just need to tap on the settings option at the bottom right, and this will get into the home screen settings. From the home screen settings, you just need to scroll down a little bit from here, and you'll get to see the option called Hide Apps on Home Screen and App Screens. You just need to tap on these, and this is going to show you two different sections. One is Hidden Apps and All Apps. Inside the Hidden Apps, you'll get to see I have Facebook, Messenger, and WhatsApp. That means the Facebook, Messenger, and WhatsApp has been hidden from my phone. Now to unhide, you can tap on this minus button here. You can do it. You can do it all these from here, and once you are done, just go and tap on this done button at the bottom right, and those apps will be unhide from your Samsung Galaxy phone. And this is how you actually can find out all the hidden apps from Samsung Galaxy phone. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.